If you have noticed that your vehicle shuts off when you release the accelerator, or that when coming to a stop, the engine turns off suddenly, in this video, we will explain the 3 most common causes of this problem, as well as their possible solutions. We invite you to watch the entire video to better understand the diagnosis and repair process. The main causes why a vehicle may stall when braking or releasing the accelerator are dirty throttle body. If your vehicle is equipped with an electronic throttle body and preventative maintenance has not been performed, it is very likely that dirt buildup has partially obstructed the throttle plate opening. This causes a restriction in airflow when the accelerator is released, preventing the engine from maintaining idle speed and causing it to stall, even when braking. To solve this problem, the throttle body must be removed and cleaned using carburetor cleaner or throttle body cleaner. This procedure will remove accumulated deposits from the intake passage and the throttle plate, allowing proper airflow. As a result, the engine will be able to maintain the correct idle RPM, preventing it from stalling when braking or releasing the accelerator, since the failure is mainly caused by dirt deposits stuck at the air intake. Stuck or damaged IAC valve, idle air control. The IAC valve operates when the accelerator is released, when braking, or when additional loads, such as the air conditioner, are activated. Its function is to regulate the amount of air at idle in order to keep the engine RPM within a stable range. When this valve becomes stuck or has internal damage, the symptoms mentioned above occur, such as sudden stalling or unstable idle. To correct this fault, it is recommended to clean it with carburetor cleaner until as much dirt as possible is removed. There are mainly 2 types of IAC valves. 2-wire IAC valves. These have a 12-volt power supply and a ground signal controlled by the engine computer. To test their operation, 2 wires should be connected to the terminals and powered directly from the battery, positive and negative. If the valve activates, a sound is heard or movement is observed, it means it is operating correctly. If it does not activate, it should be cleaned until it becomes unstuck. If it still does not respond, it must be replaced. 4-wire IAC valves. These have 2 12-volt power supply wires and 2 ground wires controlled by the engine computer. To check if it is stuck, it must be removed without disconnecting it electrically, and the throttle body opening should be covered with a rag or a plastic bag. When starting the engine and pressing the accelerator, the plunger of the valve should be observed moving in and out. If there is no movement, it should be cleaned with carburetor cleaner until it becomes unstuck. It is also necessary to verify the power supply and control signals. If all signals are correct and it still does not operate, the valve is very likely damaged and must be replaced. Damaged brake booster. The brake booster operates using vacuum, which is supplied through a hose connected to the intake manifold. When the booster has an internal leak or intermittent damage, pressing the brake pedal causes a loss of vacuum in the intake manifold, which can make the engine stall. To check if this is the cause of the problem, the vacuum hose must be disconnected from the booster and sealed with an appropriate plug to prevent air from entering. Then, the vehicle should be tested, keeping in mind that the brake pedal will feel harder due to the lack of power assistance. If during this test the engine no longer stalls when braking, it is very likely that the booster is internally damaged and needs to be replaced.